Good morning, myself Aman from BSc Chemistry Honors Final Year, roll number 37. Topic of my presentation is photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is a phenomena that involves electron escaping from the surface of material. Usually the surface of material is composed of both positive and negative ions. What happens in the process is when light is made to be incident on the metal surface, some of electrons which are present near the surface will absorb enough energy from the incident radiation and thus overcome the attraction of the positive ion. Further, when the electron gain as much sufficient energy as required, they will escape out of the metal surface into surrounding space. This forms the basic of photoelectric effect. Some related terms are work function. The minimum energy that is required to eject an electron from metal surface is called work function. Threshold frequency. The minimum frequency of light that can force an electron to emit from metal surface is called threshold frequency. Threshold wavelength. The maximum wavelength of light that can eject a photoelectron from surface of metal is called threshold wavelength. Cutoff potential. The minimum negative or retarding potential given to plate for which photoelectric current becomes zero is called cutoff or stopping potential. The effect of intensity of incident light is linear with photoelectric current for a fixed incident frequency. The effect of potential on photoelectric current is increased with an increase in potential applied to collector for a fixed frequency or intensity of incident light. Laws of photoelectric effect. The laws of photoelectric effect are given by first. For a given metal and frequency of incident light, the photoelectric current is directly proportional to intensity of incident light. Second, for a given metal, there is a certain minimum frequency called threshold frequency, below which there is no photoelectric emission. Third, the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectron above a threshold frequency depend upon the frequency of incident light. The photoelectric emission of an instantaneous. The fourth, the photoelectric emission is an instantaneous process. Thank you.